Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here again with Blake.
I'm back.
And we're doing another episode.
Run, Hamstey, while you can. Don't get tortured.
Episode of Hamstey the Explorer. This one is called Hamstey and the Car Chase, and you'll find out why in a second. Wait, I need to see something.
That's totally not a RC car.
Cool. Yeah.
Run, Hamstey, while you can.
Oh no, the car is stuck.
And Hamstey is safe by all the shoes.
Hamstey, run while you can.
Hamstey, don't go in the closet. You hit the closet. I'm just mainly focusing on Hamstey, where he's going. I might have to stand up now. Hamstey, don't go in the closet. Should I close the closet? Dude, Hamstey's trying to get in the closet.
Oh, it doesn't work anymore. I have to turn it off. The guy has to get up for a pee break. Quick, focus on Hamstey. The guy has to have a pee break.
Caden's having a pee break right now, so. And now Hamstey's stuck by all the shoes. Can't see him.
Okay, he's back.
Ow. The car chase isn't working out. Smack.
Oh no, he's trapped.
I'm just gonna say this now, but this video can only get to 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
Guys, it looks like Hamstey is trapped. Like and subscribe to see what happens in the next episode of Hamstey the Explorer.
Hamstey, go in the closet.